What it is ain't exactly clear. There's a man with a gun over there, telling me I got to beware. I think it's time we stop. Children, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. There's battle lines being drawn. Nobody's right if everybody's wrong. Young people speaking their minds are getting so much resistance from behind. Time we stop. Hey, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down.
Yeah.
What a field day for the heat. 1,000 people in the street, singing songs and a carrying signs, mostly say hooray for our side. It's time we stop. Hey, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. Paranoia strikes deep into your life, it will creep. It starts when you're always afraid. Step out of line, the man come and take you away. We better stop. Hey, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. We better stop. Hey, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. We better stop now. What's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. Stop.
So here's the normal ammo. And then and here's the Hydroshock ammo. Oh god. Ew. This guy. Want some? Yeah. Damn. Jesus. Hydroshock? No Hydroshock. The exit wound is holy freak. Look at that. Damn. This is bad.
Fucking looks like a dump.
This smells so bad. It smells like sugar. Oh god. Ah, I hit the potato. Holy cow! Look at that! Oh, shit. This is amazing.
Destroyed, damn!
Oh, fuck. Yep, this is gone.